What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with a brand new slime video for you and I am super excited because we're going to be experimenting today. Today I'm going to be experimenting to see if we can come up with some new type of slime textures or some new slimes in general, like mixing like a jelly cube slime with butter slime or something like that. If you're excited for the video, don't forget to give it a big slimy thumbs up for me. Also make sure you subscribe to my channel to become a unicorn. Here are the unicorn fam shoutouts for today. Thank you all so much for being here. I love you all so much. You have notifications on, so that means you are A1 since day one, okay? If you would like to be a part of the unicorn fam and you would like your comment here on one of my videos, then make sure you comment down below #unicorn fam and make sure you're subscribed. Holden's drinking water. Also, y'all, this video is part of a collab with my friend Trina from Trill.Slime. I love her so much. She's going to be doing a slime related video for you all as well. I'll have her video linked down in the description box if you want to go ahead and check it out. She also has a slime shop, so I will leave the link to her slime shop down below as well so you can buy some slime from her. And yeah, I am super excited to get experimenting with these slimes, so let's get started, shall we? Okay, y'all, I'm super excited to get started. I do have a tripod set up here with another camera just to give us like a closer angle view. Let me know if you like that or not. This is the first time I'm doing it, so who knows? So I'm thinking the first type of slime fusion that I want to do, I want to combine a fishbowl slime with a butter slime. Maybe that will give us some type of other texture. I really don't know, but we're going to try it out. So let's do it. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and add in some clear glue into my bowl here. This is Maddie Ray's clear glue. It's really nice. This is actually one of my favorite glues to use because I don't know why, but Elmer's for some reason is becoming yellow. Like Elmer's clear glue gallons, they come yellow, at least for me. So I've switched over to using Maddie Ray's because it's actually cheaper and it's very clear and a little bit thicker as well. So that is that. Not sponsored whatsoever. I just really love her products. I always say that, like, they don't pay me to say all these things, you know what I'm saying? So it's all good. Okay, so I just added in a little bit of clear glue here. Now I'm just going to go ahead and take a regular borax activator and I'm going to activate the slime a little bit. As I'm filming this now, I realize that it might be just a little bit weird seeing like a tripod with a camera sit there. I don't know, maybe that's just me, but if it bothers you, I won't do it again, I promise. Just trying new things, you know what I mean? I think this is coming out pretty good, just saying. Okay, so now I have my clear slime made here. It is a little bit more activated than I wanted it, but it's not like over activated, so it's perfectly fine. I'm going to go ahead and add in some Daiso clay now. I'm actually going to be using red Daiso clay because it's the only color of Daiso that I have at the moment. I bought a lot for Valentine's Day and I have a whole bunch left, so I'm going to be using this color. It's all good. So I'm going to add in the whole brick to this piece of clear slime here, and we're just going to go ahead and mix that in. This is actually a lot harder to mix than I thought it was going to be. I don't know why, but I've never really mixed clear slime with Daiso clay. Is it normally this hard? I mean, it's so creamy, but it's also very hard. Like, you can hear it. Listen. I don't know if that's normal, but okay. Okay, so here's my finished butter slime here using just clear slime and Daiso clay. So this is how it came out. I think it's super nice. It's very sizzly and I think that's just because of the clear slime base. Okay, so now I'm just going to go ahead and take a little bit of this butter slime and put it in my container here because the only thing left to do is add in our fishbowl beads. So I'm going to just put a little bit of this in here. I don't want to completely fill it to the top because we need room for our fishbowl. I have a bunch of rainbow fishbowl beads here that I'm going to be adding into this. I just thought it would look cool since it's a red butter slime. I don't think you'll even be able to tell because the slime is opaque, but it'll look cute once we mix it in, you know what I'm saying? Okay, so I'm going to add in these fish bowls here. These are super cute. Gotta make sure I don't drop any on the floor because Holden cannot eat these. These are not edible. Okay, this looks super cute, y'all. I'm shook. Okay, come on. This looks super cute already. I cannot. Let me get a close up on this camera. Focus on this boy because I'm shaking. Look at that. Look at how beautiful that is. Oh my goodness. That is some otherworldly stuff right there. I'm shaking. Alright, so now it is time to go ahead and fuse butter slime with fishbowl. Let's see if it works. Come back, please. Come back. I'm actually pretty shook because this actually has a really good texture. Is this something that I would stock in my shop? Probably not, unless I'm doing like I don't know, maybe like a boba type slime. If I find some like black fishbowl beads and then like add it to like a brown butter slime, I think that would be pretty cool. However, I don't know, maybe this one will grow on me. I just don't like love it, but I also don't hate it, you know what I'm saying? So it still spreads, which is good. It still spreads like a normal butter slime. I'm gonna hear the pops. I mean, the pops are okay. The bubble pops, it's not really the greatest because there is clay in this slime. Normally for like clay slimes and butter slimes like that, there's not too many like popping sounds. It is very sizzly, I will give it that. So if you're somebody who loves sizzles, I think because of the fishbowl beads that are in here, it kind of like helps it become a little bit extra sizzly, you know what I'm saying? I don't know, like I said, I don't hate it, but I definitely don't love it either, so let me know what you think, I don't know. Alrighty, so for the next slime fusion, we're going to be taking some elements from a cloud cream and from a foam, and we're going to try to make a cloud foam, I guess. So I'm going to go ahead and start off with some white school glue. This one here is Elmer school glue, because for the white glue, I don't think there's anything better than Elmer's, to be honest. So I'm going to go ahead and add just about that much there. Don't need too much. Okay, next I'm going to go ahead and add in some coloring. So I'm going to add in this yellow paint here. I do want this cloud cream to be yellow. I'm going to add in about that much. And I do, just to darken it just a little bit, I'm going to add like a drop of this yellow food coloring as well. This gel food coloring is pretty strong, so I'm just going to add like the tiniest drop. Now I'm just going to go ahead and stir all of the color in there just till we get a nice yellow looking base. This yellow is coming out perfect. I think this looks really good. Now I'm going to go ahead and add in the fake snow. I use the brand Snow Wonder for my fake snow. I use this all the time for all my cloud creams, for my cloud doughs, everything that needs fake snow. I use Snow Wonder. It's very easily accessible to get it on Amazon. So I'm going to go ahead and add in a little bit of this fake snow. I would say probably about a tablespoon and a half. We're going to start there at a tablespoon and a half. Let's go ahead and mix that in. It's going to get very chunky and funky, but you're just going to have to go ahead and mix it until, you know, until you just can't no more, okay? Okay, so I have noticed when I make my cloud creams, I get this kind of texture here. Let me give you a close-up over here. It almost looks, now that it's yellow, it kind of looks like scrambled eggs. So, you know, it's just going to give you that kind of texture or that kind of look. That is exactly what you're going for with the cloud cream, so you're good to go if you have it looking like this. Now we're going to go ahead and activate it, okay? Okay, so my cloud cream is done here. It is a nice yellow color. Almost kind of looks like a custard of some sort. I really love cloud creams. Like, it's honestly one of my favorite type of slimes. Let me give you a close-up here on this cam. This is going to be the close-up cam. We're going to call it Candy's camera. Just kidding. But here is the cloud cream in all its glory. It's not cloudy like a cloud slime, like it doesn't drizzle, but it's definitely very creamy. You see that breakage right there because of the snow in it. It's just really, really nice. So I thought it would be cool to have like a yellow base with blue beads, so let's go ahead and do that. It's gonna probably give me rubber ducky vibes, and I'm totally down with that. So let me just open this up here and dump this in my bowl. Okay, so now that our foam beads are in the bowl, I'm just gonna go ahead and dump this right in and get this coated in all the beads. So let's do that. Ooh. Alright. Gotta make sure I don't lose any foam beads because I have a puppy now. He can't eat this stuff. It's not nice. Okay, so here is our cloud foam. It is literally packed with foam beads. It's a cloud cream slime, so it's very creamy still, yet very crunchy and sizzly. I'm in love with this, honestly. I'm in love with this texture. This one, I definitely would say that I love it. Like this one, I would stock in my shop today if I could. Close up right here, listen. Alrighty, well that was pretty much it for this video. In the comment section down below I have a couple of questions for you. One, did you completely hate seeing the tripod like right next to me? Maybe should I hide it somewhere and just like zoom in on it? I know that you might like the double camera angle, but did you just hate seeing the tripod? Like I need to know because honestly, it kind of irked me the entire time, I'm not gonna lie. My second question for y'all in the comment section is let me know which of these slimes were your favorite. Did you like this one here? This is the buttered fishbowl. Or did you like this one here? This is the cloud foam. It's different, I know, but I don't know. This one personally to me is my favorite. I love it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big slimy thumbs up for me. Also, make sure you subscribe to my channel to become a unicorn. Do not forget to go ahead and check out Trina's video because this was a collab. Her link will be down in the description box below. Also, go check out her slime shop because I am obsessed, just saying. Thank you all so much for watching. I love you all very freaking much, and I will see you all next time. Bye! Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and mix the two slimes together just to create like the ultimate kind of slime fusion. So we have our buttered fishbowl here, and we have our cloud foam. So let's mix it all together. Well, that is very interesting to say the least. Kind of looks like McDonald's threw up in this place, but it's all good. That's so weird. It's like melting on me. I guess the ingredients are like having a reaction because look at that. It's like not even coming off. So this mega slime fusion was definitely an experience. I don't know why the ingredients and like the slime started melting. It was so weird. But I mean, I boraxed it again, so it should be good. I really like the color though. This is definitely very, very interesting. I will say that.
Hand in hand we run.